The Corsair MP600 PRO LPX 2TB is marketed as the ultimate PS5 storage upgrade. And today we're diving in to see if it lives up to the hype. This Gen 4x4 NVMe SSD boasts impressive sequential read and write speeds of up to 7,100 MB/s and 6,800 MB/s, respectively. That's significantly faster than the PS5's internal storage and more than enough to meet Sony's official requirements. In real-world terms, this translates to lightning-fast load times, minimizing those frustrating waits and getting you into the action quicker. We tested it with a range of demanding PS5 titles, and the difference was noticeable. Games loaded in a fraction of the time compared to the console's stock SSD. One of the standout features is the pre-installed low-profile heatsink. It's compact enough to fit seamlessly within the PS5's expansion bay while effectively dissipating heat. This is crucial for maintaining consistent performance during prolonged gaming sessions and preventing thermal throttling, which can slow things down. The MP600 PRO LPX is available in various capacities, from 500 GB up to a whopping 4 TB, giving you plenty of options to expand your game library. The 2 TB version we're looking at today provides ample space for a substantial collection of modern titles. Installation is straightforward thanks to the M.2 form factor. It's essentially plug and play, making it accessible even for those less tech-savvy. While the price might be a bit higher than some other Gen 4 SSDs, the performance gains and peace of mind offered by the integrated heatsink make the Corsair MP600 PRO LPX a compelling choice for serious PS5 gamers looking to eliminate storage bottlenecks and elevate their gaming experience. So, is it the ultimate PS5 SSD upgrade? It's definitely a strong contender.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.